Impact of the COVID-19 on your temporary residence for the purpose of employment. Due to the current crisis situation, the Slovak Parliament adopted an amendment to the Act on the Residence of Foreigners. Based on this amendment, should the validity of your temporary residence expire during the crisis situation or within 1 month of the crisis situation being revoked, your residence will not expire, but its validity will be extended until 2 months after the revocation of the crisis situation. A similar change was adopted to the Act on the Employment Services. Not only the validity of your temporary residence but as well the validity of your labor office consent is automatically extended until 2 months after the revocation of the crisis situation. The only condition is that you will continue to work for the same employer, in the same job position, and in the same place of work. If any detail of your additional data on employment changes, this amendment doesn't apply. It doesn't mean that you need to wait with your renewal until the crisis situation is over. You can apply for renewal even during the crisis situation. But keep in mind that departments of foreign police are accepting applications only from foreigners who scheduled their appointment online through an online booking system. And what if you apply for the renewal of your temporary residence and the foreign police declines your application? Even in this case, based on the already mentioned law amendments, you are allowed to continue to work for the same employer, in the same job position, and in the same place of work. But only until 2 months after the revocation of the crisis situation. During this time, you can try to submit another application for a renewal of your residence. But what if you lose your current job? Your temporary residence is linked to your employment. Under normal circumstances, the foreign police can start with the cancellation process of your residence 60 days after the termination of your employment. Based on the law amendment, the 60 days period is extended by the duration of a crisis situation. Currently, it is impossible to predict the duration of the crisis situation. You can find more information on our website.